Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling a super common query: how to transfer money from PayPal to your own bank account in 2025. With digital payments evolving fast, this process is getting even simpler and more secure. Whether you're a PayPal pro or just starting out, I'll walk you through it step by step in under 2 minutes. First off, why bother transferring from PayPal? It's all about accessing your funds quickly for everyday needs, like paying bills or treating yourself. Plus, in 2025, expect faster processing and lower fees thanks to new banking integrations. Let's dive in. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Open the PayPal app or website and enter your credentials. Make sure your account is verified. It's crucial for smooth transactions. Step 2. Head to your wallet or balance section. Once logged in, look for the Wallet tab on the app or Summary on the website. This is where you'll see your available balance. Step 3. Select the option to withdraw or transfer funds. Click on Transfer to Bank or Withdraw Money. You'll be prompted to choose your linked bank account. If it's not linked yet, you'll need to add it first by entering your bank details and verifying via a small test deposit. Step 4. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Be mindful of any minimum or maximum limits, and check for fees, which might be around 1 to 2% depending on your location in 2025. Step 5. Review and confirm the transfer. Double-check the details, like the amount and recipient account, then hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification. And that's it. The money should hit your bank account in 1 to 3 business days, though with 2025's advancements, it might be instant for some users. Remember, always keep an eye on security. Use two-factor authentication and monitor your accounts for any unauthorized activity. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay savvy and see you next time.